Hey guys, how you doing today? Greg with Fox Family Heating and Air. Doing a few calls today. Second call is it's a no heat call, but they say they're getting a strange noise from the blower motor. Pull that out of there. Okay, you can actually see the marks on the fan blade where the paper was hitting the blades. This was probably it. When they put the filter in, they probably had this still on there on the inside, on the top side of the filter, and then when the fan turned on, it just sucked its way into here, got caught, eventually made its way to the blower motor. Are you laying in the sunshine? You're pretty dirty. This is what you do on slow days? Apparently this is what we do on slow days. Cook out on the grill, and lay around in the sunshine.